Hi, it's Jeff. I'm in the garage tonight and I'm stripping heads. So I'm pulling valves, springs, and valve seals. So follow along and let's have some fun. Okay, so what I'm using, like many of us, I'm an Amazon junkie. So LSX Innovations VSC10. It's a valve spring compressor tool. It's pretty simple, as you can see. Got a stud, a nut, and a little piece of fabricated steel. Not really much to it, so you guys at home with some metal skills could probably make one of these pretty easily. I think it was 20 bucks, I can't remember. So that's what we're working on, or working with, and I've already pulled a couple. It's pretty easy. I do have this this seal here loose. I went ahead and tried one just to see how easy it was. It was pretty easy, I'll show you that. So let me get everything set up and I'll get started. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and pull these valve seals just to show you how easy they were. This one I've already had loose, so you know it's going to come right off. So let's move to this one. I did not touch this one earlier, so I'm just taking some channel lock pliers, not squeezing too hard, just kind of working it back and forth. You'll see it start moving. Boom, there she goes. Pretty easy. Alright, so as far as the tool, just take the stud and thread this in all the way. Bring this up here, slide it on, bring the nut up, snug that down. This is a 13 millimeter nut. I'm going to tighten this. I'm pushing the valve through on the other side. The valve is moving with the spring. So I'm going to take a soft face hammer. I'm going to tap the valve. There are the keepers. And back this back up. It's easy as that. Then go ahead and push the valve through, pull it through the seal. There it is. Okay, I got a lot more to do, so I'll post more videos as I can make them.